Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Priyanshi. Today I am here to speak on a profound and timeless concept from Hindu mythology, which is karma, the supreme duty of human life. In Hindu philosophy, the word karma especially means action. Every thought, every deed, every choice we make is karma. The karma is not just about action, it is also about intention. What we think and why we act matters as much as what we do. According to Hindu scriptures, especially in Bhagavad Gita, Karma Yoga is one of the key paths to spiritual realization. Karma Yoga means performing our duty selflessly without expecting reward or recognition. The essence lies in action for the sake of righteousness, not for personal gain. Our duty, whether a student, teacher, parent, or a citizen, all are part of Swadharma, our personal path. Lord Krishna urges Arjuna to fulfill his duty as a warrior even when he is emotionally disturbed, because not acting is also a kind of action. Let me share with you a few shlokas from Bhagavad Gita that highlights the importance of karma and karma yoga. कर्मण्यवाधिका रस्ते माँ फलेषु कदाचन स कर्म फल हेतु भूर्मोते संगो अस्व कर्मणि. तुम्हारा कर्तव्य केवल कर्म करने में है, फल में नहीं. सदैव अपना कर्म बिना फल की अपेक्षा किए करते रहो. You have a right to perform your prescribed duties, but you are not entitled for the fruits of your duties. So never consider yourself the cause of result of your activities and stay detached from inactions. Second slok is तस्मात् सक्तो सतत कार्य कर्म समाचर आसक्तो है आचरण कर्म परमा अपनोति पुरुष. इसीलिए सदैव आसक्ति छोड़कर अपना कर्म करते रहो, क्योंकि आसक्ति छोड़कर कर्म करने वाला पुरुष ही परम लक्ष्य को प्राप्त कर पाता है. Therefore, without attachment, perform your prescribed duties which has to be done. A person who performs his duties without attachment attains the supreme. यद यदा चलती श्रेष्ठ देवे तरो जन स यद प्रमाण कुरुते लोक स धनुर्वर्तते. जैसा जैसा आचरण तुम सामान्य लोगों के साथ करते हो, वैसा ही वह तुम्हारे साथ करते हैं. जैसे आदर्श तुम स्थापित करते हो, उसी का ही वह अनुसरण करते हैं. वॉट एवर अ ग्रेट पर्सन डज, the other follows. Whatever standard he set, the world follows. Let's talk about some instances. Let's take example from Ramayana. In Ramayana, Lord Rama, known as the Maryada Purushottam, one of the most heart-wrenching episode was when he sent Mata Sita to the forest despite knowing her innocence. Why? Because as a king, it is duty to uphold the trust of his citizen, which is came before his personal emotions. He did not act as a husband at that moment, but as a ruler who is responsible for dharma and justice. Second is, let's talk about karma in Lord Krishna's life. Lord Krishna, the divine incarnation, left his foster parents Nand Baba and Yashoda Maya, and later on his birthplace Vrindavan, to fulfill the duty towards dharma. Even being God himself, he did not escape from karma. He chose war over peace when dharma was in danger. He even became Arjuna's charioteer. He said that no work is small when it has to be done in the service of duty. Let's talk about ancient stories which is also reflecting karma. The king Harish Chandra. He sold everything, even his wife and son, and worked at a cremation ground to fulfill his promises towards dharma. His life teaches us that karma goes hand in hand. Shravan Kumar, the ideal son, he carried his blind parents on his shoulder for pilgrimage. It shows that serving one's parents among everything is the greatest duty in the world. It shows that no work is small when it has to be done in the sense of karma. Now I have a message for youth. In today's world, people run after result, money, recognition, and they are forgetting the purity of effort. But Sanatan Dharma teaches us that it is our intention and execution when it has, which is matter most, not rewards. If you are a student, it is your karma to study with honesty. If you are a teacher, it is your karma to enlighten others selflessly. If you are a citizen, it is your karma that contributes society with integrity. Let us all remember that Ram did his karma, Arjuna did his karma, Krishna did his karma, and that's why they become divine. Let us all remember that do your duty, stay detached from outcomes, avoid laziness, and be an example for others. Thank you and Jai Shri Ram, Jai Shri Krishna.